Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, August 23rd, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. V pattern, wide state, inverted H. V pattern, wide state, inverted H. V pattern, wide state, oscillator agreement. This recording is going to be a little bit different because, hold on, let me put $1 marker in there. That's close enough. Anyway, we have candles up here. We had some people saying that we can't trade with candles. You guys just use O-locks. These are candles, all right? So it doesn't mean anything. You know, a candle is a candle. It represents price, and that's what it should be treated at. So we decided to convert our charts over. So the blue candles are up candles. The purple candles are down candles. Now with this move, we're looking for a roughly around a $2 run and or back to the 21 moving average on our 1 minute chart. Let's clear this out of the way so you can actually see on our charts. Let's move this out of the way. Let's change transparency. Come on, man. All right, there we go. Let's just do this. Transparency, where is it? Right there. All right, 50%. Let's get rid of the ellipses on our 2 and 5 minute charts so you can see better.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's $1 drop, ladies and gentlemen.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
Order fill.
And there's a $2.20 drop all the way back down to the 21 moving average on our 1 minute chart. Order out of chaos. As always, never forget, be a pro.